How to increase or decrease screen brightness on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on display. After click on display, scroll down and you will see brightness is here. If you want to increase or decrease screen brightness, so if you want to increase screen brightness, so you will increase screen brightness from here. So if you want to decrease screen brightness, so you will decrease screen brightness from here. So you will increase or decrease screen brightness from here. After increase or decrease, go back to home screen. So that's how you can increase or decrease screen brightness on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.